floating hand that's made by some animals, and we all dance so we can let go and remove clothes and trade loads. Like the type of tongue that roots from your breast and it shakes your pretty little clavicle. A good friend is walking to a homeland, an inside land. And to him I said, you can't leave your eyes at the horizon's dead door, 'cause you won't need them anymore. The children, da-da-da-da-dum, spend the dawning, da-da-da-da-dum, in the morning, da-da-da-da-da, disappearing. They reappeared as a seed of love. You know, the earth births the vegetables. We all know, we all know, we all know. Da-dum, da-dum.